So in this EQ Bank tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to deposit money from another bank here on EQ Bank. So once EQ Bank's opened up, I want you to go to the bottom, press on transfer, and then at the bottom, once again, press on deposit money. Once you're on this page right here, it's going to tell you how to deposit money. So in this case, you want to transfer from another bank. So at the top says from another bank, transfer up to $100,000 from an external bank to your EQ Bank account. Go ahead and select that. Once that's been selected, you can go ahead and read through this. So it says move money from another bank. Go ahead, read all the information right here, all at the bottom. Go ahead if you want to link your bank account this way. Go to the bottom, press link accounts. It'll then bring you to this screen right here where you can go ahead and select your financial institution. So there's a bunch of popular ones here to choose from. If any of these match it, obviously go ahead and select it. If not, you can go to the top and search for it. But if it is, in this case, if you have like a Tangerine account, you press Tangerine, sign in, follow the steps, and continue that way. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how to deposit money from another bank here on EQ Bank. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.